Sometimes we will remind ourselves, say something, it's a good time to be mindful, or it's a good time to collect our minds to do this right now, or somebody will say to you, oh, you can go be mindful right now, or we often, what's even more common is thinking like, I have to kind of hurry up because I'm going to go take care of this and that, and then I'll go meditate, or, I'm going to go on retreat, and this will be a great time for me to have all this time to be kind of bringing my mind to the present, and on we go. Or we think about, okay, I'm going to do the work period, and then after that I'm going to go back to my kuti and practice. So we divide our life in times when we pay attention and times when we don't. And I know, just for speaking for myself, this is a very common mentality I can have, and like, this is the time I'm doing this, but it's not the time I'm doing that. And it's unfortunate because it's not a good dichotomy for us to have in our practice. And it actually can bring a lot of dukkha, a lot of problems to our potential to learn. So instead of sort of dividing up the times when we're present and we're not, it's more an important reminder to just say to ourselves, like, no, this is it right now. I'm glad I'm back. I'm glad I'm here right now and trying to be present. It's not some time in the future. It's not some time when it's appropriate, or when it's easier, or when I'm not talking to somebody, or there's no time. It's timeless. So whenever we notice that tendency to think like, this is not the time to be practicing, this is not the time to be mindful, or this is going to be the time, then we can really kind of try to work on changing that tendency and that habit within us, so that we have much more of a sense that every moment, whatever, any time we notice that's the time, then we can remind ourselves, this is the time to be present. This is the moment right now. There is no other time. There's no other time not to be. And so if we keep that habit up, then it will just become natural. We'll obliterate that sense of times to be aware and times to not be aware within ourselves. And so it will become much more of a natural phenomena to just stop that dichotomy, stop that division, and encourage ourselves to be present and noticing our experience at all times.